Welcome to Mysterious Tales X, where we explore the forgotten corners of the universe. Those hidden truths that lie beyond science, time, and imagination. Tonight, we focus on a tiny world that defies all logic. A planet so small, so close to the burning sun, that, by every rule of astrophysics, it shouldn't exist. And yet, there it is, orbiting dangerously close to the sun for billions of years. This is the story of Mercury, the planet that shouldn't exist. Mercury is a planet of extremes. By day, the heat can melt metal, over 430 degrees Celsius. By night, the cold can freeze steel, nearly minus 180 degrees Celsius. It's a planet of fire and ice, of light and darkness. Forever trapped between creation and destruction, it has no thick atmosphere to protect it. Only a thin veil of gas, barely clinging to its surface. Solar winds crash into it constantly, stripping away anything that dares to exist. And yet, Mercury endures. For decades, scientists have wondered how it managed to survive this close to the sun. The early solar system was a violent place. Worlds collided, planets shattered, and the sun's gravity ruled everything. By those rules, Mercury should have been destroyed long ago. But perhaps it once was different. Perhaps Mercury was once bigger, more like Earth or Venus. Then, billions of years ago, a catastrophic collision tore it apart. A massive impact stripped away its outer layers, leaving behind only its heavy metallic core. That's why Mercury today is so dense. 70% metal, mostly iron and nickel. The skeletal remains of a once mighty world. But even that theory doesn't solve all its mysteries. Mercury's orbit is unlike any other planet. It moves in a stretched, shifting ellipse, a dance so strange that for centuries, astronomers couldn't explain it. Until one man did, Albert Einstein. Mercury's orbit helped prove his theory of general relativity. A tiny, unexplained wobble of Mercury became the key to understanding how gravity actually bends space and time itself. But what Mercury reveals, it also hides. Its surface tells a story of destruction. Its surface, craters, ridges, and gigantic cliffs that stretch for hundreds of kilometers. These are scars from a planet that's slowly shrinking as it cools. Yes, Mercury is getting smaller. Its metal heart is collapsing inward, folding the surface like wrinkled skin. It's the slow death of a planet, a cosmic ember fading in the shadow of the sun. And yet, in that silence, there are whispers of life's persistence. NASA's Messenger spacecraft discovered something astonishing. Ice. Yes, frozen water ice hiding deep inside craters near the poles, in regions that sunlight never touches. There, in permanent shadow, ice has survived for millions of years. A miracle just a few steps away from the solar inferno. But Mercury's origin still remains unsolved. Some believe it didn't form near the sun at all. Perhaps it was born farther away, near Earth or Venus, and was later pulled inward by the sun's gravity, or a massive planetary migration. If that's true, Mercury might be a cosmic refugee, a wanderer caught in the sun's grip. Others believe Mercury could be the last remnant of a lost world. A planet that once orbited between Mercury and the sun, now destroyed. The ancients called it Vulcan. Science never found Vulcan, but maybe Mercury is what's left of it. The last piece of a forgotten planet. Its memory written in fire and iron. And here's one more mystery. Despite its size, Mercury still has a magnetic field. That means its core is partly molten, still alive. still moving, still generating energy. For a planet so small, that's almost impossible. What keeps it active after billions of years? What secret burns at its heart? So what really is Mercury? A survivor? A wanderer? A relic of destruction? Maybe all three. A world that refuses to follow the rules. A planet that shouldn't exist, but somehow stubbornly does. Every orbit it makes, every crater on its surface, is a reminder that even the smallest worlds can hold the biggest mysteries of the universe. And maybe, one day, when we finally set foot on its burning soil, we'll discover what Mercury has been hiding all along. The truth about how our solar system truly began. Until then, Mercury will continue its lonely dance around the sun, a planet that defies the odds and reminds us that the universe is far stranger than we can ever imagine. So friends, what do you think? Is Mercury just a broken remnant of cosmic chaos, or the missing link to our solar system's birth? Tell us your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed exploring this cosmic mystery, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mysterious Tales X, where every week we uncover the secrets of space, science, and the unseen universe. Because sometimes the smallest planets hide the biggest stories.